ride with me to the other clans and we will defeat the sky people. Boy and his dog. Definitely makes you, as a viewer, go, what is going on? Mid-70s, late 60s sort of hippie feel of weirdness.
Well, I mean, it's the time. Harlan was kind of a victim of his time, too. This story makes me feel adolescent Harlan. All Don Johnson is a horn dog, running around talking about getting laid and raping women, and that's not very likable.
Yeah, not usually.
No, not at all.
Oh, yeah, all the women are ready to get married and pregnant. That's what they should be, and talking about recipes.
We just lost all our female viewers.
And now we look at it as very misogynistic. Amber Alert. The hydroponics garden, Amber Alert.
The desert scenes don't look apocalyptic enough, and the scenes below where it's supposed to be more normal look fake. I need a little more up top and a little less down below. Wow, that sounds like something.
That's what she said.
Start the car. Johnny has the keys.